Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will be continuing with our book. The book I'll be reading from is titled Lifa and was written by T.T. Gininza and F.T. Mahlalela. Now let me say that in Siswati. Namuhla sitobe sifunza incwadi. Sihloko sale ncwadi Lifa. Babhali bencwadi ngu-T.T. Gininza na F.T. Mahlalela. If you happen to have this book, use it to read along with me. If you don't have this book, it's okay. You can read along using my book. We will be reading pages 20, 21, 22, and 23. Let's get started. In pages 20 and 21, we will be focusing on the letter C. Ka, ce, ci, co, cu. Ka, ce, ci, co, cu. Licaca, licici, licoco, licala, licili, lucolo. Licili licela lucolo. Licoco licala licaca. Licici lelicaca leli. Licoco licela emacici elicaca. Moving on to page 21. Caba, cima, cina, ceba, cuma, cona. Licaca belicaba. Licaca licona licoco. Emini licoco belicuma. Licici lelicoco licinile. Moving on to page 22. Emacici elicoco. Colile unemacici lamane. Licaca lona linemacici lamabili. Acinile emacici alo. Alinamali namacici licoco. Licaca lacona emacici elicoco. Licoco leba emacici acebile. Emacici alomacala ale elulaleni ebaleni. And now, page 23. On page 23, we will be focusing on the letter G. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Gega, giga, goga, guga, gogo. Gega, gogo, guga, gogo. Giga, gogo, gugu, ugega, gogo. Let's read that one last time. Gega, gogo, guga, gogo, giga, gogo, gugu, ugega, gogo. And that is all for today. Join our language learning community by subscribing to our channel. That way, you won't miss out on any future language lessons.